In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Safari address bar to the top or to the bottom of the screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Safari web browser and then just open up some website. Now, as you can see, Safari address bar located as for now at the top of the screen. And now you can hop out Safari web browser and open up settings. Then you can scroll down until you find Safari here and here. Again, scroll down for a bit until you find that tabs option. And now here you can, just by tapping at top bar, switch Safari address bar location to the bottom. You can now move on to Safari, and as you can see, now address bar located at the bottom, and you can always in that simple way change the position of Safari address bar. And also you can do the same right from your browser. Just right here tap at that letters and from here select show top address bar to move it to the top. See what happened? And in the same way you can tap at that icon and then tap at show bottom tab bar to move it to the bottom. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.